Okay, this little video is going to be about how to use our vertical bandsaw. Everything you need and maybe more will be out here when you get here. There'll be a drawing, or you'll have gotten a drawing, and you're obviously going to cut the length that you need. So you're going to measure it. You can do it a couple of different ways. You can make your measurement here. Pull that up tight. I'm doing this a little backwards because of the camera angle. You could make this measurement with the digital calipers. And to do that, place it this way, up there. There's the dimension. You're going to need to make it just a little bit longer, about 2/10 of an inch longer than, or 1/10 of an inch longer than is required. Because you'll see that in this case. And this is going to be a flat that you're going to use for making your making the mill part. You need to make sure adjustments are in the back. Make sure the height is correct. You want to have it, make sure that you can get it all the way through. I may have this set for you, but if not, that's how you do it. Normally, you want to cut this with the long side over here, but I'm going to do it this way because of the camera angle. Switch is up here. Keeping firm pressure, but not pushing too hard. Cut my piece. Now, I didn't draw a particularly good line, but you want to leave a little bit of the line that you cut, because we're going to be machining this side and this side so that the piece will be square. We already know that this side and this side are already square. They came that way from the mill. So we've got to square that up to make the part that we're going to make. Now, you've done your stuff here. You need to sweep it up, trash can underneath there. Move all of the stuff. Sweep it down. Bring your own pencil, but if you use a pencil, we'll just put it in quarantine. Okay, you've touched these things. If it were a small ruler, it could go into the bleach bucket. The digital calipers will go into the quarantine bucket, as will all of these other things. Then you will get a wipe. You may have noticed there were wipes over there. You touched up here. You may have touched the knobs back in the back, and you will want to use the cleaning wipe to wipe down the surfaces that you mess with here. Simple protocol. Move on to the next part that you're going to make.